welcome to day 22. Day 22 of this funded challenge. Wow. We are moving, aren't we? We're gaining followers. I don't really care about views. I just want followers. I want people to join me in this. So thank you to you guys. And let's pass that funded so we can make other videos. And I'm going to start making more videos. I need more diverse shit. But so far, I'm cool with just this. Like, this is perfect for me for a start. I think just doing this right now is great. This helps me a lot just to, learn how to post and stuff like that. So, now this is wicked. But yeah, welcome to day 22. 22 days, almost a full month in a funded account on 5K, and I can't pass it. Which is okay, because we're learning a lot. We're taking little steps, and yeah, let's just keep doing it. I think we're going to get into our daily buys right now. That's going to be the new thing. Start these videos with a daily bias, so we can mark out highs and lows and find where we want to go with price. Command, Shift 5, record, and now. Okay, so what do we see here? All right, before we say shit like that, let's do this. Let's mark out the Asian session. So Asian session Tuesday, 6 p.m. New York time. Right here. Okay. There's our Asian session. Okay, for today. Let's focus on this first. Right away, that is the low. And our Asian high, hold on, 4 a.m. is here. So I guess we ended it off. The high is that. That's our Asian session right here. So we can see that, we're on an uptrend. We swept it, we came down. We're most likely going to go and push through it again. Maybe. Who knows? I don't know. Okay? I got to stop with that crap. I'm just going to mark these out first. Actually, I'm going to go on the 1 hour so it's easier. Okay, well, let's do yesterday's New York session. Which would have been, what's today? Wednesday? Tuesday, 8 a.m. This was yesterday's New York session. This was our high. Where's our low? 4 p.m., 6 p.m. This is our low. Right here. So these are just key levels for today. Seeing where price wants to go. Maybe we'll push back down through New York and follow it with it. But we are kind of on a downtrend right now. We're in this big fear value gap, it looks like. We're in an hourly fear value gap. And obviously, we're still in it. Like, we're not even getting out of it. I guess we kind of wicked out of it, but we closed in it. Which I find, I don't know, I'm still trying to learn that. But that's there. Let's do London session for today. What do we have? London opened at 3 a.m. No, not there. 3 a.m. And we close at 11 a.m. So we can see Asian opened, we pushed up. We didn't push through any highs. Well, what was this? This was a low. We kind of swept yesterday's low, is what happened. See that? Yesterday's low, we swept. Whew. Right now, we swept it. Now we're going back down. It's actually not a bad way to look at it. Look, this is the full imbalance too. The imbalance starts here. I guess it's there for a reason. See what I'm saying? This is the low. This is our gain our speed. Now we can probably start going down. Maybe fake out here. Come up. And then we'll get our entry here. Then we can maybe try and push it out. That could be for today. But I don't know. We'll see. All right, now we have our key levels marked out. So we know where price wants to go for the day around these areas. Let's check out our daily bias. Is this thing going? Jesus. Let's check out our daily bias. So what are we right now? We're bullish. You know, we're on an uptrend. We're going up. We're going up. Really, we're not going up. We're kind of, you know, stuck in this area. We're not doing too much movement. Not very volatile. Like this. If we could catch these, you know, these big ups, big downs. Right here was the same kind of thing though. We're kind of stuck. Not really. But yeah, we can see here that. Sorry. We can see here that we're bullish right now, but maybe it's a retrace to keep going bearish, because we can see that we're kind of on a bearish trend. Let's go to the 4 hour. We're bearish in the 4 hour. 1 hour, we're bullish. See, like right now, I wouldn't really have a bias because everything is opposite of each other. Bear, bull, bear, bull. You know what I'm saying? Like, 100% sure, really. So we'll probably look for a better bias later, but as of right now, it's hard to tell. Why would we go against our bullish? You know, we're probably going to trace down here, sweep this, and then maybe come back up. That would be a cool entry if we can get that. You know, our entry down here, which is kind of what I thought was going to happen. Take out the lows, because realistically we're on this uptrend right here. This here is an order block, that right there. So maybe if we can continue into here, take that out and go. Then again, there's so much. This also is an order block, which we just wicked into. Let's just find some building blocks for us to play with. So let's see. We have this bearish 1 hour imbalance right here. The price is in right now, which also leads into this. Remember our low from yesterday's low. So it seems like price looks like this just doesn't want to push through yesterday's low, but wants to keep making newer lows, because that's the lowest low. Well, this is, but when does 9 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Monday? No, that was Monday's low. That's crazy how that stuff works. I'm still learning, like, understand stuff like that, and it's pretty cool to maybe that could be a strategy. Like, whenever the previous day's low gets swept, we're confirmed to keep going down. Probably not a thing, but if we can find something new like that, like, honestly, I probably would. Let's check the 15-minute out. Yeah, like, we're in that right now. Even to the 5-minute. We're kind of going back down. I remember this yesterday, where this is our order block. Price came in, took that big 5 up. Maybe we're going to keep going up. I don't know. I got to stop saying I don't know. I guess I had no idea, but let's just keep learning. So it looks like right now, this is our break structure right here. You know, we're on a downtrend. This here is the break structure. Hold on. We'll say this. This candle closure right here is our break structure to the upside. So now we're going up. We're in a new trend. Looks like now we're falling, and if we can keep going up, most likely fall down into this little tiny imbalance here, and maybe start to make a rise. Take out that low, previous day's low, and maybe take out a high. We'll wait for New York to open, obviously. Pretty soon, actually, in a half an hour. So once New York opens, we'll have a look, and we will see. Let me actually put that 8 a.m. Also, let's check for news. So we actually have PPI and CPI, or we have PPI coming out today. So we're not going to trade before 10 a.m. Maybe CPI is good for the market. I don't know. I gotta look at that. I'm gonna watch that later. Actually, I'm gonna watch that at 10. It's in an hour for me. So I'm gonna watch that. Maybe I'll hop on here and we can basically see what news does. But I'm thinking, I don't know. Not 100% sure, to be honest with you. Is this still going? Yeah, it's still going. But really, we just wait. We just wait and see what the best ideas are. Realistically, we do have that bullish fair value gap here. Maybe we can keep pushing through, connect here, and keep going. If we get that break structure, then I know we're going to be bullish. We'll target these. I want to see what so most likely I would be there. Stop loss under there. Here? No, I wouldn't do that. I'm going to put my stop loss down here. Yeah, so it's still like, it's not a great trade, but I don't know why I would do that. Wouldn't I do that? Put it underneath this low? I don't know. I gotta start trading. I gotta start trading more. If I blow the account, I blow the account. But I need to start taking more trades because I gotta get rid of this not trading. But then again, it's good. Yeah, I kind of don't understand it really. But yeah, no, we're on an uptrend. That structure broke was here. We closed above it. We did get a hard rejection off of it. And then we went down. Now we're pushing back up again. Now we're coming down. So hard to tell. I don't really have a daily bias right now. It looks like we're bullish. Yeah, our daily bias is bullish. So let's look for some longs today. A retrace, then we can go long. But then again, I'm kind of worried about price coming above this area. You know, will price push through it, then come back down, then fake it out, then maybe go up again. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. So I'm gonna get back to you guys later. I'm gonna have a look at the news, and I hope you guys are, when you see this, if you see this, you'll see. We'll go over it anyway. So at the end of the day, but that's kind of my daily bias. Looks like we're bearish for the day. And let's just take it from there. And let's just see what we can do. So I'll catch you guys in the charts. And let's pass as funded. Yeah. Well, I'll see you on the charts. Alright. So another day, no trade. I don't want this to be the usual here, but yeah, we didn't trade today. Nothing really came about for us. Price did go down to that order block that I thought was going to go hit, but I didn't trade. Probably should have. Let me just get rid of some things. I'll show you what I'm talking about. We'll get at it. Command Shift 5. Record, and now. Okay, so market open, I'm pretty sure right here. No. Right here, 8 a.m. Market open here. We took that fall, we swept the lows. It was a perfect setup actually, and we took out the high. I didn't get it. I didn't go in, and it's unfortunate that we could have got in here, but I didn't. I wonder if that was the right setup. Oh, it would have been too. Oh my god. I probably would have waited for here. Still would have been nice, eh? Let's have a look. I probably would have did this. Yeah, it would have been a nice 2. No, I wouldn't have went that low. But listen, like, that's something not to do with when you're looking at the charts from the like at the end of the day, and you're looking at the charts and you're seeing how you did, you can't go what ifs, because I find that hurts you big time. But look, price came up, took that out, came up, faked it again, swept that, gone. We got our order block. Like, see, price came in, hit it. We probably could go in here for another long, but that's it. No trade today, and we did our daily bias. We saw what was happening. I got super busy today, and this shit happens, life happens. So yeah, we didn't trade today. But it's like we survived another day. We still got tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Let's check the. Yeah, like after 10 a.m. This isn't even bad. So, oh, whoops. So I'm thinking we're gonna trade tomorrow. We're seeing some type of something gonna happen soon. I don't like this. I don't like it too much, but we'll see. It just depends. But as of right now, we're doing good. We're still up in the account. We're still, we're kind of fixing the mental game, because I was trading too much before. You guys saw that. I was losing, and now we're back. Now we just gotta, take baby steps from there. But yeah, that's really about it for today. Like, it was a good one. It was a nice break this week so far of not trading. I kind of want to trade. I will tomorrow. Probably. I don't know. We'll see. I need to do a little more back testing though. That's one thing. I'm going to start a new playlist, something different. So I'm going to post 2 separate times in a day, I think, is what the goal is. If I can post 2 separate videos in one day, that'd be huge. That's what I'm going to go for. Because it's kind of be annoying for you guys just watching the same shit over and over. Like, I need some type of diversity, something different. So I'm going to do that a lot more, but we're still going to grind this out. Like, we're not stopping this, because this is a lot of potential, a lot of understanding of the market and stuff like that. So this is good. This is very good. And, oh, I got my charger fucked up. And let's just see how this goes. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow for day. How do I get to my channel? Tomorrow is going to be day 23. That's crazy. Because today is day 22. So I'll get you tomorrow for day 23. And hopefully we can hit trade. Oh, sorry. That's my land that I have listed. And hopefully we can make a trade. Hopefully we can do something. And if not, it'll just be another kind of, sit on my hands and wait kind of day. But so far, today was good. Now tomorrow maybe we can, hit this order block again. If it comes down, then we can take a long. Because we saw, do you see this here exactly though? See this? This big leg down. This big leg up. They just mimic each other. Now they're doing the same thing. Like, leg down, leg up, leg down. Now we're chop, chop, chop. So what I can think is, if I got a feeling that we're going up here, what should we do? Probably gonna go short. We're probably gonna go back down and maybe take this out down here. I don't know. That's something for tomorrow, but market's closed right now, obviously. It'll open again soon, but anyways, that's gonna be all for today, and yeah, catch you tomorrow. Make sure you subscribe and watch this all the way, because I'm gonna make it pretty soon, I think. So once I get these payouts, or once I've passed this, and yeah, so subscribe, just join, because I'm not stopping this at all. This is going for a long time, and I plan to not stop. So if you're here early, might as well stick around, keep watching, but subscribe. You should, 100%, because it'll give me a lot of motivation to keep going as well. Even if you don't, I still have it, so it's fine. But anyways, I'll get you tomorrow for day 23, 22. 23. Today's 22. I don't know. See you tomorrow.